Alright, y'all, we're on Haley's Breakfast Wraps. There are 15 spots at $2 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 6:23. Just rolled to 6:24. Paste our list. We have 15 spots. We need a 4 or higher. We have a 6. Here we go at 6:24. After the first round, there are 15 items on the list. Tonkanika is on top and Sipple's on bottom. Dice calls for a 6. Here we go at 6:24. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. After the fifth time, there are 15 items on the list. Mike is on top and Tonkanika is on bottom. We've randomized 5 times. Dice calls for a 6. Here we go for the last time at 6:24. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 6, Micah Jack, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 15 items on the list and we randomized 6 times. Dice 5 and 1 did call for a 6. We are done at 6:24. It is 6:24. Congratulations to spot number 6, Micah Jack.